This chapter covers the process of replicating Wi-Fi on the M5StickC. Continuing from the previous section, we will now introduce how to replicate Wi-Fi connections on the M5StickC. The M5 button serves as the confirm key. The side buttons function as the up and down keys. Now waiting for the device to power on. Okay, the device has powered on successfully. Now follow my arrows to start replicating the Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi. Choose Wi-Fi X. Select Target X. Now waiting for scanning. Alright, these are the available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Then proceed to clone it. Press the custom HTML option. Continue pressing the M5 button. Select the first internal IP address. Next, use your phone to verify. Select the virtual Wi-Fi connection. Waiting for the redirection. Log into your Google account. After entering successfully, output the internal network URL in the browser. Importantly, if the login fails, please turn off mobile data. Enter the URL. Now you can see the account credentials. At the same time, the account password is also displayed in M5.